Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about 2.2. The start of 2.2 talks about how the Treaty of Versailles was rejected by the Senate because USA did not join the League of Nations. President Wilson decided not to join the League of Nations because public opinion was against it. The Americans at that time did not condone war or violence and overall did not want to get involved at all. We also learned about hyperinflation in Germany, which was that since Germany had to pay a lot of reparations, they started printing money and it resulted in way too much money being printed. And by November 1923, $1 was the same as 4.2 trillion marks. At that point, Germany decided to stop paying reparations, which drove France and Belgium mad, and they decided to invade Germany's industrial land, which was called the Ruhr. This resulted in Germany's economy collapsing even more. And by 1922, the fascist Mussolini took over Italy, and while ignoring the peace treaties, they took Fiume and bombed Corfu, which was in Greece, when Italians were killed as revenge. By 1922, there was a pact called the Rapallo Pact, which was in secret. Since Germany and Russia both lost, they were isolated after World War I and decided to make a deal. Germany was benefited because they were able to build weapons in Russia, and Russia was benefited because they got German training. When countries found out about this, since there were two strong powers, countries like France and Poland and many others started freaking out and fearing of their strength, which then resulted in the Washington Naval Conference, which was basically a conference to stop naval arms, which means that they wanted to reduce weaponry and limit the amount of weapons in each country. The first people that agreed to this were the Japanese. Japan limited its navy and reduced its arms power. Although a problem was discovered with the Washington Naval Conference and their goal to reduce arms, that was that there were people that did not want to enforce the rules and did not want to lower their arms. In this chapter, we also learn that countries are scared of communism. Russia was becoming a worldwide revolution, and their communist strategies were feared of expansion.